Hey noobs, welcome back. I got a little project I'm working on this morning. You see these crazy cats? They like to come outside, but they like to be able to come back in, opening the doors, letting them in and out. I have a brick house, and I have a screen door, so it's like, can't really put a door out here for them because I'd have to remove the screen door or put some kind of double door. I don't like it. Look at this crazy cat. He is crawling up my shirt. Crazy kitten. Anyway. So, I've decided I do have a spare cat door that I bought a couple of years ago to do something with. And I am going to take this window where they always set at the screen waiting to come in, and they can go right off the couch there. I am going to cut me a piece of press board that I already have. It's white 5/8. It'll slide perfectly in those slots, hopefully, and install a cat door in the window. And then I've got some locks that go on these windows. Dirty cat, get off my leg. Jesus. Then they can jump up here, go back in, come back out, come out here into the backyard, which actually has a yard within the yard. That decorative fence is inside the yard, and the dogs are outside it. So the dogs will keep the cats from going any further than the decorative fence, which still gives them lots of room to play. Might even put them a litter box outside here on the porch. So anyway, let's see how this project goes. Let's see, I've got this older piece of press board, but it's clean. It's really clean on one side. If I have to repaint it, I'll repaint it. I think I'm going to use that for my insert. And then I have my cat door. It was kind of halfway out of the box, so it's a little dusty, but it's new. It's designed to go through a full-size door, but I think I can make it fit on this 5/8 plywood or press board easy enough. So you see they already have a cat door out into the garage. So their permanent litter box is going to go right here, and they can be fed right there. And I'm going to clean this shelf off enough to put the cat food and stuff all on here. So these are my plans for today to make my wife's job a little easier and mine a little easier. So stay with us. Okay guys, we're going to start this project by squaring. We're going to square off this end. It's got little screw holes here from where I had a table made into a table. That will cut those ends off, square this up. And we're going to cut it off 19 this direction, 29 and 3/4 this direction. That'll be the top. We'll make this cut first. But first we got to square this thing up. I am going to use a clamp here. Two clamps would probably be preferable, but be enough to kind of hold it in place. Got my very old square out here. My problem is I have lots of tools. My problem is, maybe like a lot of other people, is finding said tools when you need them. I can get a 30-minute project, which is going to take me an hour or two. And it'll take me an hour or two just to get the tools up, because as noobs are, we tend to be a little unorganized. It's going to be loud. Also helps to plug it in. Okay, back to the cut. Better to come from this direction, keep it straighter. perfectly not straight. This is 19, so I'll go ahead and mark 19. Nineteen. That'll be my other cut. This is going to be 29 3/4. This is a width. You know what? Can't do it that way. Skip that. Wasn't thinking about what I was going to do. We gotta do 29. They can't get 29 out of the group. I like these little portable tables, but they're not great for clamping. 29 3/4. 29 3/4. Other problem is couldn't even find a pencil. Where's a pen? Oh. Now let's do 19. Add a carpenter's pencil. That will go a lot quicker. Okay, let's cut this 19 off. Do as I say, not as I do. Use safety goggles. Okay guys, I got my board set up here. I'm going to make it okay, we've got this thing cut. 29 3/4 by 19. So we're good. Hey, Cindy, can you grab the camera and come with me? Let's go see if we can fit this in the window before we start installing the cat door. I'm just come over to that side and see, Okay, we need 19. Let's see if we can get this in here. I may have to trim it a little bit. I'm gonna have to trim it just a fraction. Wondering what we're doing. Okay, I trimmed an 1/8 inch off of it. So it's gonna go in there like that. That will slide in there like that. No gap. We'll put that down like that, and then we'll put we got a couple of window locks we're gonna put in there, and hopefully I will have the cat door right here. Okay guys, it comes with this little template you can follow to do your cut. I just cut it out and then realized I wasn't filming. Just cut the template around the lines, put it, center it, and mark it, which I just did. And then I'll put this on here just to look at it and make sure it looks right, and it does. So, this thing's still going.
Yes.
I'll do 2 cuts on this one because of the way it's on here. Okay, to start the cut, I've got you could just drill a hole to start, but I already had this doorknob drill in this drill, so I'm just going to put it, give me a place to start my sawzall going. Okay, that's out. Okay, I don't think that looks all that accurate, but you actually get quite a bit of leeway with these. Just got to make sure you have room to put your screws in here, and that everything's going to clear the door, which that was just fine. So this is our front side. That would be the side of my house. And this is on the back side. Okay, that's good for now.
We're going to stand up. There you go. I don't think it's down there. I think it's on the side.
Okay. Oh. Okay. We got it in there. We're gonna go put it in and see what it looks like. Back in place like we did earlier. This over here. Centered. Oh, I got a screen out there.
Number one tool is the
Case knife.
butter
Butter
knife.
knife. It's a case knife. Okay. Well, we got some residual from when we had the AC in here temporarily because the air conditioner went out, but let me go pull the screen. Oh, gotta take my handy dandy tool.
Ready? Kitty, 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 kitty. Jax. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Hi. Come on. And there you go. May have to help them with it for a little while.
Okay, might not be a success yet, but it will be. They'll figure it out. All we gotta do is put our locks on now.
Which I gave it to you. Right there.